Hi everybody, Mrs. Heisey here. Well, today I'm going to show you guys the next step of our lamp, and it says the next date. First, what you want to do is you're going to get your material. You should have in the vices, they were glued overnight. You're just simply going to take off your clamps. We'll set them off to the side. And then you're going to have the rough part of your upright. Now, what we need to do, it says we need to scrape off all the glue. Well, you're going to take a scraper, you're going to place it inside of the vise. What we're looking for here is your edges that are together. Okay, if you have little beads of glue, you're just simply going to place this inside of a vise, and then you would use a scraper to scrape the edge to get all those little glue parts off. The reason we want to do that is so it doesn't gum up any of the blades on the machine as we're using it. Okay, I don't have any on mine because I put just the right amount of glue on there, so I don't need to do that. The next step, it says, have your teacher cut the upright to the finished length of 11 1/4. So you will simply bring me your material. You don't have to have your pattern drawn on here yet. That's step number 4. So you'll bring this to me, and I'll take it over to the miter saw, and I will cut it to the exact length that you need it. The one nice thing about this step is you don't have to measure anything out. I already have on the miter saw marked out where you need it to be cut. So all you have to do is once you take it out of the clamps, bring it to me and I will cut it to the exact size. Now, after I've done that, I cross off that direction. In my 4th step, it says trace your pattern onto the upright and cut it out. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your upright, you're going to line up the center of where you wanted the hole to go down with your grooves that you created. And then you just simply take a pencil and trace out your outline. Okay, once you have this done, your next step, it says cut out your upright. Once you have your upright cut out, let me just finish this up real quick. All right. Okay. So now you probably won't be able to see it, but I have my paper line that matches up with the line right here. Once you do this step, then you're going to go on to step number 5, and it says cut out or trace your pattern and cut out on the upright. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to use a bandsaw when I cut out my upright design. I don't want to use a scroll saw because my material that I have with 2 pieces is too thick. So make sure you use the bandsaw. Watch the video on how to use the bandsaw. Don't forget to make many of your leaf cuts and just be safe. If you have any questions or you need any help, make sure you ask.